Today, we're making these mini cupcakes with a fluffy base and a creamy topping. This is definitely one of the easiest recipes you'll ever see. It only takes 4 ingredients, so even if you have no baking experience at all, you can make these perfectly. Stick with me, and I'll show you how to whip up these super easy mini cupcakes. To start, we're going to crush about 130 grams of Biscoff cookies. You can use a food processor, a blender, or even just put them in a sturdy bag and crush them with a rolling pin until they turn into very fine crumbs. After that, we need to set aside 1 cup of these crumbs. Keep the rest for later because we'll use them for decoration. Place that 1 cup of cookie crumbs into a bowl and add half a cup, or 120 grams of room temperature milk. Mix it well until it's smooth and looks just like cake batter. For the final touch, add half a teaspoon of baking powder and stir until it's fully incorporated. Now we're going to line a mini cupcake pan with paper liners. This recipe makes about 9 or 10 cupcakes. Fill each liner until they're 2/3 full. Bake them in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 8 to 10 minutes. You'll know they're ready when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Transfer your mini cupcakes to a cooling rack and let them cool down completely at room temperature. In a small bowl, add about 1/4 cup or 75 grams of Biscoff spread. We'll pop this into the microwave for about 10 to 15 seconds, just so the texture becomes fluid and easy to pour. Spoon this topping over all the mini cupcakes. For the decoration, I like to take a square of parchment paper and fold it in half so it's a bit sturdier. Hold the paper over a cupcake without touching the topping, covering about half of it. Sprinkle those extra cookie crumbs over the exposed part so you get a nice clean line. It's a simple decoration, but it makes such a big difference. If you aren't eating these the same day, you can store them in the fridge for up to 3 or 4 days. And there you have it. Delicious, soft cupcakes with a creamy topping made with only 4 ingredients. If you like this easy recipe, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy dessert ideas. See you next time.